everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today I'm gonna share with you this very cute PVC crossbody purse. It's very small, and I got this from zoetworld.com. I'm gonna link their website in my description down below, so you'll be able to view this pretty and adorable purse. This is just so cute, and I just love this. This is made of a durable transparent PVC, which looks like this, and it's in gold tone hardware. You can also choose different colors, like it has green, red, and white, yellow, purple. So just try to look at their website, so you'll be able to take a look at it. This is owned by two young friends based in California, and this came from China, but it has a substantial like quality to it. And I think it's sewn by a nylon thread, as you can see. This is really made well, and it had feet as well. The strap is non-adjustable, 20 inches in length, and you can wear this crossbody and at the side of your arm. I'm gonna do a mud shot after, so you'll be able to see how it looked like on. And what I love about this is it is so roomy. It may look small, but it is so roomy. We're gonna try what can fit inside. So we'll put a mini case and then a mini pochette. So it looks like this, and it still has room. So I'll try to put as much as we can. So this is the Victorine wallet, and it still has room. And this is my large Louis Vuitton sunglasses, and we'll put it inside as well. So this is actually like full. Let's try to put a Bastia inside, Hermes Bastia, and we'll try to. So I guess we can't. Let's see if I can put a small sunglasses. So a small Ray-Ban I think can fit on top. There you go. So we can close it. The closure lock is like a turn lock. So this one, turn it. You can also try to put this in here, and then you lock it. But I'd rather have it like this, and then just close it in here. So it can really fit a lot. So again, let's see what fits. So my sunglasses, it's a Ray-Ban, Victorine wallet, and Mino case, and then mini pochette. So these are the things that can fit inside. So it can fit really a lot. It's small. The cost of this is, at their website it says $80. It's US dollars, and then it's 50% off now for some time, and it's free shipping worldwide. And by the way, I wear my necklace to match with this. This is actually a brooch. So if you would like to know how I turn it into necklace, I'm gonna link my video down below on how I was able to add this chain. This, by the way, the handle is really made well, as you can see. Like, it has a nice grip to it. And this one says, the French word says, let's go to the Wonderland. So are you ready for it? So that's what it says in the website on how to translate this French. So for those French people, just correct me if I'm wrong. This is nice that you can also add a bandeau. So I have an Hermes Twilly, and then this Louis Vuitton bandeau, which matches this purse. And this one, it's summertime right now, so I would love to add this one on the handle. Well, guys, thank you again for watching, and I really, really love this pretty purse. And I'm gonna link the website down below so you can check on it. And may all of you have a wonderful day. And if you like this video, please like, and I would appreciate if you'll subscribe as well. Well, take care. Please stay tuned for the mud shot. Bye. So here it is, so cute. And I added a Hermes Twilly in here. I also removed the original strap and tried to show you how would it look like if I'll add my black strap from my Pochette Métis Empreinte, since this one is adjustable. And it looks like this. I think we can add any black strap to this so you can adjust the length. And I'm gonna try to put the original strap, which is in 20 inches. I am 5'4" for reference. Crossbody. This is just so cute. Very, very cute. And without breaking the bank, like you can just have fun and enjoy with this. And this is what it looks like handheld. You can also put it at the crook of your arm. The only flaw that I see is here at one side of the strap. There is this one. To see that? That's the only flaw that I can see. But other than that, the bag is really made well. The stitches are spot on. It's just so cute. I love it. I will wear this crossbody if it will be me, and just pair this with any like casual outfit. And it's nice that you can also wear this with a dress. Well, thank you guys. Bye.